Working with images in ActiveWeb, step-by-step procedure for customer users. In this video, we will cover different steps, from logging into ActiveWeb to performing OCR in indexing images. Please see the related videos, Quick Tour of ActiveWeb, Logging into ActiveWeb, and Performing Searches in ActiveWeb. Step 1. Log into ActiveWeb. Step 2. Search for a file. To view images, click on the Images icon in the toolbar. To preview images, enter an interval of images and/or a list of images separated by commas in the field. Be careful not to put any spaces between characters, otherwise an error message will appear. Click on the Preview Images button. Select the zoom value. Click on any image to show it in your browser in the previously selected size. To view images in the TIFF format, enter an image number. Select the zoom value. Press on the View as TIFF button. A window appears showing the processing of images, example 2 out of 6. Save the image on your computer and press Open. The images will be opened in the correct format on your computer. To view images in the PDF format, enter an interval of images and/or a list of images separated by commas. Press on the View as PDF button. A window appears showing the processing of images. The images will be opened in PDF format in another window. To create a document index. This feature is used to group images into a document and map the content of a file. It makes it easier to search and sort images included in the same file. Click on the green button to start a new document index. A dialog appears. Let's index the first 2 pages as an example. Enter the start and end page to be indexed and a description for the indexed. Click on the Accept button. After, you can select the document index in the drop-down list and preview it to validate the results. Only the first image of the index will be tagged with the index's description. From here, you can edit the same index by clicking on the blue Edit button. Make sure the end page is unique for every document index, otherwise you will not be able to press the Accept button. To delete an index, make sure it is selected in the list and click on the red X button. To email images, enter an interval of images and/or a list of images separated by commas in the field. Click on the Email button. Enter the recipient's email addresses separated by commas, the subject of the email, and any notes you wish to attach to the email. When you are ready to send the email, click on the Email button. To import images in a file, take note that the formats supported are TIFF, BMP, PNG, JPEG, and PDF. Take note that PDF files are better handled as electronic documents. You can import images one at a time by clicking on the Import Images button. Click on the Choose File button. For a PDF, select the color in which it will be imported. Click on the Accept button. Press Yes to confirm the addition of that new image. It will be appended at the end of the image list. To scan images into a file. If you have a Twain-compatible scanner set up on your computer, you can scan images to files in ActiveWeb. Click on the Scan button. Then click on the Select Scanner button. Note that the selection list might be hidden under all other ActiveWeb windows. Minimize them and select your scanner. Different scanning options. Open your scanner's interface by clicking on the Scanner button. Note that every scanner will have its own interface and might not look at all like the one you have. The scanner's interface might be hidden behind ActiveWeb windows. Minimize them to see your interface. Once the scanner's settings are in place, you can start scanning your images by pressing the appropriate button on your scanner's interface. In the example here, I have to push the scan button. Once the scanning is done, you should return to the scanning window of ActiveWeb where you will see your scanned images. To modify the viewing options, select an image by checking it. Rotate the image by using the 90, (180) or 270 degrees buttons. It is also possible to change the displaying size of the image. Press on the appropriate icon, 100%, full width, or full width and height. To save the scanned images, press on the Save button and press Yes to continue. To perform OCR and indexing, enter an image number, an interval of images, or a list of images. Click on the OCR and Index button. For more information, contact support@docudatasoft.com.